Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks so much for stopping by, appreciate that. Thanks to all the loyal supporters. And so today, it's a little dark in here, I got the flashlight on. But working on the bathroom vanities, which is actually the style that I really like because they look really clean and they are sucked to the wall. There's like no gaps, which is how they're supposed to be. But a lot of the vanities with the big glass bulbs or whatever, the big glass globes, they usually hang forward and they're not tight to the wall, which is one of my pet peeves. Just light fixtures that are not tight to the wall or the ceiling, and also working on these. I thought these were the style that I liked, but these are actually more annoying than I thought. These little pieces come off here at the end and you have to hold the trim up with the plastic while you, so you have one hand on the plastic in the ring and then another hand trying to push the ring up, and then this little piece right here, the L-shaped bracket, has to go up, and then you need like a third hand to start twisting the knob right there. So it's not the funnest, but it's not bad. But so those two lights in the bathroom, and then also working on these exit signs, all these boxes, all the mud rings were sideways like this, and the mounting holes were actually, anyways, it was backwards, so the mud rings were one way and the mounting holes were the other, so I had to drill the back of all these exit signs so we could mount them. So I was going through that for the first part of the day, just opening up all the boxes, getting them all prepped and ready to go, drilling the holes for mounting them, and then hung a few of these, 2 or 3 of them. And there's 3 of the bathrooms, so 3 lights on the ceiling and 3 vanity lights. And then the last part of the day I was getting these other lights ready for tomorrow, and I'll probably show you that tomorrow. So maybe I'll go show you, I don't know. Alright guys, so I got the air conditioning on, so I hope you don't mind that. But I want to say thanks for stopping by. Thanks so much for making it to the end of the video. It's probably a short one, but thanks for coming back as always. Don't forget about the giveaway, which ends at 1,000 subscribers, which is coming up here shortly. So make sure to enter that if you want to win a free tool. A chance to win a free tool, I should say. And that's like 4 or 5 videos back. So make sure to check that out. All you gotta do is make sure you're subscribed, because I want to get back to the people that support me, and drop a like on the video and a comment saying which tool that you want, and you'll be entered. I think that about wraps up today's video, guys. Thanks, and drop the video a like if you enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button if you want to follow along tomorrow, or you just want to support me. I appreciate that. Thanks so much, guys. I will see you tomorrow. And I just want to say it was a really good day, and I got like 4.5 hours of sleep last night, and I thought it was going to be a really bad day. I thought I was going to be super tired, but I really wasn't at all, which was great. And I was super hungry, but made it through the day. Got that Chalupa Cravings box from Taco Bell. They support me, I support them. It's a great thing, you know. Not sponsored. So anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.